Good morning, dear students. I hope you all had done the exercise 4.2 in your maths notebook. That is a very important exercise in case of the multiplication chapter. If still you had not done that exercise in the maths notebook, just do it. Okay. In case of any query, you can free to ask the teacher. Okay. So, in the exercise 4.3, it is written in the heading, with the help of the multiplication tables, just find the products. So you can skip that portion, find the multiplication with the help of the multiplication tables. Straightforward, you just multiply the numbers. In the same manner, you multiply the numbers. Okay. So here the numbers are 655 and 12. So multiply 655 with 12. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 0 will be here and carry will go here. Again 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 is here 11. Carry will go here, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. Now 1 5 is a 5, 1 5 is a 5 and 1 6 is a 6. So the answer is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Clear? So this is quite easy. You can skip that portion that is given with the help of the multiplication tables. Just straightforward do the multiplication. Don't confuse yourself. Just multiply the numbers that are given to you. Okay. No need to bother anything else. Okay. Now the next number is 1236 to be multiplied with 16. Okay. So here first of all the ones place will be multiplied with all the 4 digits of the multiplicand. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 6 will be here and 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20 and 21. Okay, carry will go here. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 4 will come here and carry will go here. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then you can put here cross or the zeros as per your choice. Now when 1 is going to multiply with all the numbers, you know you will be getting the same numbers back. Okay, so it will be 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, then 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1. So the answer is your 19,776. What is the answer? Answer is 19,776. And in the previous one, the answer is your 7,860. The homework is to do the second, third, fourth and fifth part of this question. This is quite easy. Just you have to multiply the numbers. Nothing else you have to do. So when you will be multiplying all the numbers, it will be a great practice for your multiplication also. So that's why I am giving all the 4 questions to you in the homework. Okay. You will hardly take 5 to 7 minutes to do these questions. Okay. So with this your exercise 4.3 is over. Now move towards your next exercise, that is exercise 4.4. That is again based on your multiplication only. Okay. So here we have to multiply the numbers with the help of the 2-digit multiplier. Okay. Here the multiplicand is your 9604 and the multiplier is your 41. Okay. So first of all multiply the ones place of this multiplier with all the 4 digits of the multiplicand. 1 4s are 4, 1 0 the 0, 1 6 are 6 and 1 9s are 9. You know when we multiply 1 with the numbers we will be getting the same numbers back. Okay. Then 4 4s are 16, 6 will be here, carry was here. 4 0 the 0, 0 plus 1 is your 1. Okay. Then 4 6 are 24, 4 will be here, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2 is your 38. Then 4, then 6, just add them, 4, 0 plus 6 is 6, then 6 plus 1 is 7, 9 plus 4 is 13, then 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 will be as it is. Okay. So your answer is 3,93,764. That is also very easy. You can easily multiply, I know. Okay. So the question number 1, B and C part is in the homework. You can do the same questions in the book also. Space is given in the book. If you want to do these questions in the book, you can do in the book also. That is your choice. If you want to do in the notebook, go ahead with your notebook also. Okay. Now the question number 2 is as it is same. Just you have to multiply the numbers. Here the numbers are 7,426 and 12. Okay. So just multiply them. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 2 4s are 8, okay, 2 7s are 14, Then you can put here 0 and the cross as per your choice. Then 1 6 are 6, 1 2 are 2, 1 4 are 4, and the 1 7 are 7. Then it will be 2, 5 plus 6 is your 11, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8. I know you are finding it very easy. If you know the table, your multiplication is very easy. So daily revise your tables. Okay? Whenever you are free, whenever you are walking with your parents in the lawn, in the garden, and if you are not doing something important, just revise the tables with the help of your parents. Okay? This will make your multiplication very much strong. Okay? So now the C part of the same question, you have to multiply 6293 with the 73. Okay, so start the same concept. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 7 will be here, carry will go here, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 3s are 18. Then you can put here 0 at the cross as per your choice. 7 3s are 21, 1 will be here, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 2 is 65, 5 will be here and 6 will be here, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 0 will be here and 2, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 2 is 44. So 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, then 8 plus 1 is 9 and 1 plus 4 is 5 and then 4. Okay, so your answer is 4,59,389. Easy. You should be knowing about the table of 7 and 3. If still you forgot your tables, I am requesting all the students, just revise your tables thoroughly. Revise your tables daily. Okay, only then your multiplication will be strong. And next chapter is based on the division, that is purely depend upon your tables only. Okay, multiplication and division you can't do without the help of the tables. So it's my request to do the tables daily. Now the F part of this question is 9654 should be multiplied with 14. So 4 4s are 16, 6 will be here, carry will be here, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 6 4s are 24, okay, 24 plus 2 is 26, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38, then 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6 and 1 9s are 9. Then 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, then 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 carry was here, so 9 plus 12, 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, so your answer is 1,35,156. Is it clear? Again I am repeating. 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, when carry will go here, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, when carry will go here, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 1,35,156. And the homework is to do the B, D and E part of the same questions. Take your time and do all the questions properly in your maths notebook. Okay, and one more thing, homework is to write table of 14 in maths notebook. Okay, in the last video I had given you the table of 11, 12 and 13. Now the table of 14 you have to write in the maths notebook. You are having your Saturdays and the Sunday video, so meanwhile you can complete your all the pending work. Okay, thank you.